19025, we'll listen to the weather.
Scattered temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 5. Altimeter 3008.
Our altimeter 300. Matches field elevation.
French Valley Airport. Automated weather observation 2005 Zulu. Weather. Wind calm. Visibility 103,400. Scattered temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 5. Altimeter 3008.
Okay, we have the weather. And winds are calm, so we'll be using runway 18. That's down there. Finch Valley traffic, Skyek 9004 to Quebec, Red Jet Center parking, going to be taxiing down to 18 for run up, Finch Valley. Check the brakes.
7165 Golf is taxiing
Next work.
from midfield to runway 18.
I need some lights, so let's go nav, strobe, and that's it. We don't have a taxi light. Here we go. You still good?
Oh yeah.
What we have here is like the primary GPS. Let me turn this down. Here, test. Okay. Primary GPS and the primary radio, and then there's secondary radio, and both of these have navigation radios. This is a DME equipment that doesn't work, so we don't need to worry about that. And then responder. We got our altimeter, our attitude indicator, airspeed indicator, which I have to tap. I forgot about that. Ding indicator. RPMs, our vertical speed indicator.
How are you turning without turning the...
So you steer with the rudder. The rudder is tied to the front wheel.
Okay.
I'm using my feet. If you notice, if you look back behind us, the rudder is also turning as I turn the front wheel. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a run up. So parking brake, we're not going to set that, I'm just going to hold. Doors are closed and locked, seats belts are adjusted and locked. Controls, free and correct, let's check it all the way up. Up on that side, down on that side, up on that side. Up, down, right, left, free and correct. Alright, instruments look good. Alright, I'm synced. Fuel quantity is good. We're still both. We'll shut off valve, we don't have one. Mixture is rich. Elevator trim, set for takeoff.
French Valley traffic, Cherokee Piper 43248.
Throttle up to 1800.
North of Rainbow Pass, heading northbound, 3000.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pull up to the right. The lights are on. Okay, I don't see anybody in the pattern. Panel looks clear. French Valley traffic, Skyek 9004 to Quebec, taking runway 18. And we'll be at left crosswind departure, French Valley.
Approaching runway 18. Entered runway 18. 5,900 feet remaining.
Alright, full power. Close. Close to the floor, red rudder. Gauges are green, airspeed flat. And rotate. Yep.
Holding short for runway 18.
Piper 43248, 5 miles south of Lake Skinner, northbound, 3,400, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Skyek 165 Golf is taking off runway 18, staying in the pattern for touch and goes, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Skyek 9004 to Quebec, turning left crosswind, French Valley. hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, just leave that by your mouth, because if you're talking, I won't hear you unless it's right there.
Roger that. This is way better than my mountain bike trails.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's where we went over there.
Yeah.
That's cross. This lake over here is, I guess, never filled usually, but now it's got
Oh, wow.
water in it. Over Vail Lake.
They building houses over here?
Yeah. That's Butterfield. You don't take Butterfield?
Yeah, I do.
French Valley traffic, Skog 7165 Golf is turning left crosswind, French Valley.
I got an airplane there in front of us. He's not talking for some reason. Might be bumpy by the hills, but we'll see. Go up to like 3,200 feet here.
Huge housing complex right there.
French Valley traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, over the wine radius 3,100, heading eastbound towards Vail Lake. French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Piper 248 over the west dam of Lake Skinner northbound, 3,400, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Skog 7165 Golf is in the left downwind for touch and goes on runway 18, French Valley.
How fast do you think we're going right now?
We're doing 90 knots. All of this out here you rarely get to see because you're never driving by any
French
of
Valley
it.
traffic,
Yeah,
Skog
you wouldn't even
7165
know
Golf
it's
is
there.
turning left base
Yeah.
for runway 18, touch and goes, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, 3,500 feet, Vail Lake, French Valley. French Valley traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, just east of Lake Skinner, 3,600 feet maneuvering, French Valley. Some of these look like castles.
Oh, they're
French Valley traffic,
huge.
Skog 7165 Golf is turning left base for touch and go on runway 18, French Valley.
Some of them are good ways off the paved road.
What was that?
I said some of them are off the paved road too, like
Oh yeah.
pretty far.
Yeah. Somewhere else you want to look? Specifically?
Oh? Can we drive by the office so real low so they can see me?
No. It's right in the traffic pattern. They did some mining there. I always enjoy looking down at water. It's because you can see like the different depths,
Oh yeah.
like the deeper spots and the shallower spots.
Or real dark, huh?
Yeah. Should be right here because it's up against the dam, right? So.
French Valley traffic, Helicopter Star 9, Skinner Dam, 2,000 feet, southbound, French Valley. French Valley traffic, Skog 7165 Golf is on final for runway 18, full stop, French Valley.
There's a couple of people on top of that mountain. It looks like
Can't see.
right on the ridge. It is. Yeah, or it's something. A horse? Someone on horseback? Here, this mountain right here, right on the ridge. So you see the road goes up, and then just to the right of the road.
See you.
Yeah, well,
Oh, right there. Yeah, I see.
yeah, there's something there. Might just be an antenna or something. Centrally traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, 3,300 over Lake Skinner. We're going to be setting up for 45 on the downwind runway 18, French Valley. It is just like a reporting station or something.
French Valley traffic, Cessna 06 X-ray at 3,000 feet over Rainbow Pass, heading northward, French Valley traffic. French Valley traffic, Helicopter Star 9's working south of the field of the city of Temecula, below 2,000 feet. Low level left hand open.
That's car beats on, make sure it's rich.
French Valley traffic, Sky 161 Golf is clear the runway. French Valley.
Approach checklist complete. By the time we go around in the pattern and get landed, get out and all that, it'll be almost 1. So.
This is a whole different experience.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Central traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, just south of Lake Skinner, 2,700 feet. We're setting up for the 45 entry to the downwind runway 18, French Valley. French Valley traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec is on the downwind for runway 18, French Valley. We're beam our touchdown point, full car heat, reduce power, snatch your flats.
$500.
French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 904 to Quebec, steering left base, runway 18, French Valley. What the fuck did you just say?
It's Chester.
French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 904 to Quebec, steering final, runway 18, French Valley.
Traffic Cessna 06 X-ray over the 215 at 3,500 feet, heading northeast. French Valley traffic.
Charlie, I think I had a couple of sunlight to you there from right course in the southwest of 18, Charlie.
French Valley traffic, Cherry Piper 24A over the west end with Lake Skinner inbound. Left, kind of left base for 18, French Valley.
Okay, runway's made, full power. And we're down. Rad, man.
Not bad. I like that.
Turn it off. Strobe lights off.
Convinced, I'm convinced.
French Valley traffic, Sky 904 to Quebec, clear runway 18 at Alpha 3 if we taxi back to Jet Center, French Valley. Okay, just double check my checklist here. Steps are up. Car beats cold. Landing lights off. Alright, let's go. Had enough time? Would you have wanted to go longer or less, or?
For the first time, that was a lot. Yeah, just watching you, that was like a lot of information to take in.
Yeah. was a good flight.
And we're back on the ground.
Landing, everything was pretty good. So you were my first passenger, so, I mean, besides trainers.
Glad you tell me when we're on the ground.
Yeah, probably.
Traffic 248 clear, Alpha 2 back.